In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect JBL Quantum 400 to Xbox, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and consoles. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the Quantum 400 from JBL. This headset can only be used through a wired connection. You cannot use them wirelessly. There is one difference between connecting them to PlayStation or Xbox consoles, and I'm going to talk about it in this video. So first, if you want to connect it via USB, you can only do it on PlayStation consoles. You cannot do it via USB if you are on Xbox. So for PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and something like a Nintendo Switch, all that you have to do is plug the USB cable into any of the available USB ports. Immediately upon doing this, all of the audio coming through your PlayStation is going to go to the Quantum 400s, and you will be able to listen to everything, including audio, chat, and so on. The microphone will also work, so you can customize it to however you'd like. Now, for Xbox, you will have to use the 3.5mm audio jack. You can also use this connection on a PlayStation if you prefer, so just choose either through USB or 3.5mm audio jack. But for Xbox, you can only do it exclusively through the 3.5mm audio jack. So this isn't going to be an option. You have to do it through this method. You can try using adapters, but this is the recommended method shown in the spec sheet by JBL. So as long as you connect the Quantum 400s to your PlayStation console using a USB cable, so any of the available USB ports, or you use it on your Xbox through the included 3.5mm audio jack, you will be able to use the Quantum 400 and the included microphone on the headset to talk over voice chat, listen to the in-game audio, listen to everything, and all of the sounds coming through your console. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL Quantum 400 to Xbox, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and console. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.